Chloe. I'm a junior and I'm a health communication major.
Hi, I'm Zach. I'm a junior and I'm an organizational communication major. Con 395 Difficult Dialogues is a class that specializes in end-of-life communication and the role health communication plays in having these difficult conversations.
So today in class we made sock puppets. So we're donating our sock puppets to New Hope for Kids so they can talk about conversations that they wouldn't talk about with their families to their sock. New Hope for Kids is the organization we work with. It's a center for grieving children and families.
The character we're
Once you get a mouth plate in, the rest of it is just decoration.
That did not look like that one.
Dr. Purslow.
Girl, mine's gonna be.
Hi, my name is Alexis. I'm a junior studying health communication with a minor in global health. And my favorite part of class has been able to do book club discussions in small groups with my classmates.
My name is Kelly, and this is my puppet that I made today. I am a business management major and a communications minor. My biggest takeaway from this class is learning how to communicate and grieve with death.
My favorite part about this course is that the students are always really passionate and we have the best discussions. This course is important because we have conversations about taboo topics like end-of-life communication that students wouldn't otherwise be able to talk about. We're using puppets as part of planning for Children's Grief Awareness Day. Puppets are tools that help children have difficult conversations about their emotions. Hi, I'm Dr. Parslow, and this is Puppet Parslow, and we're signing off.